Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to view the power usage of processes in Task Manager in Windows 10. This feature has been recently added in Windows 10 and I'm pretty sure most people don't actually know that this actually exists. So before I start, I will say this in every video that I make. If you didn't know, I have created subtitles, and if you don't understand something on my videos, make sure you enable the subtitles to understand better what I say. So yeah, let's start. So what you need to do, pretty simple, just right click in start and go to Task Manager. And then you need to look up here in the top where it says name, status, CPU, memory, and all of this here. And you need to look these two final options where it says power usage and power usage trend. If you do not see these two, then right click in like here one of these 6 right here options, right click and then make sure you have power usage and power usage trend enabled or checked, because if you don't, then these won't show up. This feature is actually useful for people who want to know what causes the electricity bill to come high. You can see right here, everything here, power usage is very low to low, and it doesn't show OBS. Currently, OBS, it shows that it's actually using a lot of energy. Sometimes it says high, as you can see here, Task Manager, it said high, moderate, and all of that. As I said, it's actually useful for people who are actually struggling with the electricity bills and want to know what's actually using a lot of power. So that's the video guys, thanks for watching. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to make them in the future. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to help you as much as possible. Thanks for watching guys, like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya!